Welcome to Digital Mint. Before I begin, let me tell you something important. I want to keep my identity hidden. This video is not about me, it's about you and how you can reach financial freedom. I believe making money is much easier than people think, and I'll show you how. But first, let me tell you why I decided to share this knowledge for free. Everywhere I look, I see young people being scammed. They spend money on expensive courses, fake mentorship programs, and end up with nothing. That's why I made a promise to myself. I will reveal everything I know completely free of charge. If you watch this video until the end, you will gain real strategies that can actually change your life. And if you subscribe to this channel, you will always have access to these opportunities for free. And one more thing, at the end of this video, I will choose one person who subscribes and leaves a comment. I will personally reach out to that person and mentor them step by step until they make their very first million. That's my promise. Let's be honest. The crypto market is huge, and if you think you can get rich just by buying and selling coins or staring at charts all day, you're wrong. That's exactly what so-called traders want you to believe. They claim you can make money through technical analysis and chart reading. But if they're really that good, why are they selling you courses on Instagram? If they're making so much money, why do they need your $100? The truth is, this is just another legal way of scamming people. But I'm not here to scam you. I'll share everything I know with you completely free. And the first rule is simple. We will never use leverage trading, because when you use leverage, you don't just risk losing money, you risk losing everything. Our goal is low-risk, consistent growth, not gambling. Let me tell you how I started. At that time, I had less than $100 in my bank account. I kept asking myself, what can I do? How are people making money? So I spent days researching, reading, and testing. Believe me, I even tried things like e-commerce before, but nothing gave me the results I wanted. Eventually, I realized the fastest and most guaranteed path was crypto. And today, I'll share with you the exact strategy that worked for me. I started with the simplest thing, airdrops. Crypto exchanges and new projects often give away free tokens to attract users. Think of it as free marketing. They spend money on users instead of ads. I followed announcements on Twitter, YouTube, and other social platforms, and joined every airdrop and learn to earn event I could. In total, I made over $10,000 just from these free opportunities. Yes, you heard that right. $10,000 for free. My first $10,000 shocked me. It felt unbelievable, but I didn't stop there. I wanted more, so I reinvested my earnings. That's when I discovered pre-sales. Imagine buying a coin before it's listed anywhere, and then being among the first people holding it when it launches on a major exchange like Binance. That's exactly what I did. One day, I joined a pre-sale for a new coin that was about to launch on Binance. The interest was massive. Within minutes, the coin skyrocketed. My balance multiplied by 8 in just 35 minutes. I sold instantly, and when I checked, I had over $80,000 in my account. This happened in less than 2 months. That was the moment I realized, starting from almost nothing, I could actually build millions. From that day on, I dedicated myself to researching pre-sales. I looked for one key thing, coins that had never been listed anywhere else and were launching for the first time on major exchanges. By carefully choosing and joining these opportunities, my account balance passed $1 million in just 5 months. And this was only one of the many methods I use. I'll repeat this because it's extremely important. Before joining any pre-sale, always do your research. Make sure the coin has never been listed on any other exchange before. If a coin is already being traded on another platform and then gets listed on Binance or another big exchange, that is not the pre-sale we are looking for. At that point, the train has already left the station. What we are searching for are coins that are being listed for the very first time, coins that are becoming tradable for the first time in history. You can easily check this on CoinMarketCap. If the coin already has a price, it means it's already being traded. If not, and it's going live for the first time, that's your chance. And just like I promised at the beginning, I will personally mentor one person who subscribes and leaves a comment, guiding them through the entire process until they make their very first million. Remember this, nothing great comes without effort. I spent sleepless nights, endless hours of research, and countless failures before I found the methods that worked. And now, I'm giving you all of that knowledge for free. If you truly want financial freedom, you must take action. Don't just watch, learn, apply, and stay consistent. Your future depends on the choices you make today. This is not just my story. This can be yours too.